guys, welcome back to Kuma Reviews. We're taking a look at Iron Factory's EX-54 BayRazor. This is another G1 mini bot from them. This time it's Beachcomber compared to Surfing Arrow, which was Sea Spray. He measures 2. Let's check it out. I believe he's 3 1/4, but let's see for sure. Yeah, right around 3 1/4 inches tall, just like Surfing Arrow or Sea Spray. Kind of cool that they've been knocking out the mini bots. Almost done with that. In terms of comparisons, we'll do one at the end with a nice spread of all. Well, not all of them. That's a lot of Iron Factory figures, but we'll get a nice amount of them so you can see how he scales to other figures. So, comes with, of course, BayRazor, and accessory-wise, looking from left to right, his blaster, an alternate mask face, and then a variety of hands. Now, no turnstile, just giving you guys a roundabout here. Front and back. I like the detailing of them. Now, looking at the articulation, the head is on a ball joint. And before moving on, just really quick, I wanted to take a look at the head itself because the details are really well done in my opinion. All right. So zooming back out here. Shoulders. See, the shoulder pad actually moves. And then there is a hinge joint here, but lots of parallel. Now, he can go front to back, but the wheel back here blocks it. Bicep swivel is actually at the elbow. Double jointed elbows. The wrist, just swivel. The hands, they peg in and out. In terms of waist, no ab crunch. Now, on a technical level, it does have 360. But see how I have to move his roll cage on his back up to do it. Okay. Hips. 1. Forward. No movable hip skirts, so that's limited. Backwards. Blocked by the roll cage there. Put that down. Single jointed knee. Oh, thigh swivel. Before I forget that. So it does have ankle tilt, but it does have further tilt at the front of the foot. And then in terms of front and back, there we go. All right, so let's go ahead and try something here. Just doing that. Yeah. Okay, let's see if we can get him to balance. And I probably should practice these poses before I do them on camera. Where's the fun in that? So, okay, there we go. There we go. Actually lower the camera a bit. All right. I think I want to brighten that up. All right, and there's his bot mode. All right, and here it is in alt mode. Again, Iron Factory EX-54 BayRazor. All wheels roll. This is an awesome take. I believe it's a dune buggy. This might actually be one of my favorite alt modes from Iron Factory to date. I like that just like Surfing Arrow, I like that it mixes kind of that Cybertronian style with more of a real world usable, Earth usable functionality. It just works. It's awesome. Yeah, but not much I can say to it. It's got little seats in it. I don't have any figures that small, so I don't know exactly what the scale on this would be considered. But it's neat. Even has rubber wheels. All right, and closing this out, we've got, again, Iron Factory's EX-54 BayRazor, their tribute to the G1 character Minibot. Beachcomber. It's hard, because I just reviewed Surf and Arrow, their Sea Spray, which is really crazy articulated, this, that, and the other. And this one's good. This one's more, I guess, too standard for Iron Factory figures, especially the smaller end, where Surf and Arrow was just above and beyond. Ab crunch, double jointed this, that, just insanity with Surf and Arrow. So, I almost feel like I shouldn't have went right from this one to this one, but I'm trying to put my bias aside. This one's still a good, passable figure. Aesthetically, he holds up just as well as Surf and Arrow. It's just in the articulation department. I wish that there was a set standard with Iron Factory figures, because going from one with like all the doodads and stuff like that to this one, which is a lot more basic, it's tough. You know, it'd be nice if they all kind of went above and beyond like that, but I guess it shouldn't be expected, especially for figures of this size, you know, 3 1/4 inches tall. But again, I mean, it's pretty, the articulation is good. It's comparing good to great, not like good to bad or anything like that. Aesthetically, it kicks all kinds of ass. Both the robot mode and the alt mode, solid. Accessories, awesome. Variety of hands, and a blaster. I mean, there's not much more outside of just going above and beyond that you could ask from this figure, and overall, it's pretty darn solid. I definitely recommend it, and it's kind of crazy to think lining these guys up. They've got Warpath, Sea Spray, Beachcomber, Power Glide, so Burning Slug, Surfing Arrow, BayRazor, Power Glide. They're almost done with the mini-bots. I believe there are Cosmos away. Does Brawn count as part of the mini-bots? If so, Cosmos and Brawn then. So, pretty cool. And Iron Factory has done a really good job of just, even though they're kind of IDW aesthetics and things like that, they've really filled out that G1 cast. It's pretty darn cool. But anyway, this has been another Kuma Style review. Like, share, subscribe. Check out the full article and gallery on kumastyle.com. I actually have my domain now and stuff like that. So, pumping out articles and stuff. Just did one on Surf and Arrow. Go check that out as well. Again, like, share, subscribe. Let me know what you think in the comments, and see you next review.